Suno has announced that it'll start watermarking songs created on its platform. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Suno co-founder and CEO CEO Shulman said in a blog post that the platform's new transparency tools will include some kind of labeling system that shows people if a song's been generated on Suno when it appears on another platform. It sounds similar in principle to Google's Synth ID, which allows AI-generated content to be traced back to its origin even after editing or compression has taken place. But it's not clear exactly how Suno's solution will work. Suno will also set download limits designed to tackle the mass distribution of AI songs on streaming platforms. This comes on the heels when major music labels like Sony Music, Universal Music Group, and Warner Music Group are calling for AI slop tracks to be disqualified from entering the charts across the world. Copyright infringement was the basis for a number of lawsuits against AI music generation companies, including Suno and Udio over the last few years, who were accused of training models on music they didn't have permission to use. Suno insists that it doesn't use artist names in its training metadata and won't allow users to use specific artists or copyrighted songs when entering a prompt. But just this week, a German court sided with the licensing agency Gemma, who accused the platform for copyright violation. The court ruled that Suno trained its systems on protected music that it didn't have the rights to use, a decision Suno disagreed with and may appeal. Now Suno says it's working with content recognition and data companies Audible Magic and Music's Match and others to screen uploaded audio files and lyrics for potential misuse. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.